Against the grain.
Yeah.
Okay.
About way to here, then I'll turn it and go like that way.
All right. Okay. No.
No!
Well, Greg just did.
You can cut it. Go ahead.
Yeah. Let's have the expert cut it. Oh,
very
yeah.
short, very
Oh,
short.
there we go. Oh, man. I haven't had beef in a long time.
Beef is the
Oh,
best
looking good,
meat
looking good.
ever.
I know, but it's bad for you.
The
No,
lamb's
it's
good
great
too.
for you.
You know what I've never had is goat. I want to have a goat someday.
I barbecued a
Caballero?
goat before.
That horse.
Yeah.
Is it too red? Is it good? Or?
Caballo.
Freaking perfect.
Caballero.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. Something else.
It's something else.
Dan, you gotta pay the tax.
Oh, okay,
It's the
thanks.
best I've had.
Thank you.
For a jam on here?
Yes.
Perfecto.
No, not bad, not bad. Mm-hmm.
Just right. So it's just like medium.
Oh, Craig, you and Cruisers are awesome.
Yeah.
It's yeah. It's
Mom, will
a
you move your purse off the table?
Yeah.
You can put it on my bed if you want.
I don't want to put it in bed. Put it on the floor.
Wherever she wants.
You can put it wherever you want.
It's just not on the table.
Does anybody want something other than strawberry vinaigrette for their salad?
I don't want anything with salt and pepper.
You want salt and pepper?
I find that hard to chew on.
What? Salt and pepper. I just like the vegetables.
You want to put that
Yeah,
on the,
I'm into
the
that now,
spinner
too.
that Savannah gave me?
Oh, the spinner.
Yeah, lazy Susan.
And that's how it's done.
Do you want me to